Hey my loves, so if you're looking to grow a healthy natural hair, this is the video you've been looking for. So right now I'm creating a mask and I'm using ripe avocados, I'm using eggs, and I'm using honey, good honey. And what I have done is that I've blended it till it is smooth, very smooth. Now I have divided my hair into 4 sections so that it is easy for me to apply the mask on my hair and to avoid wastage, because it's one thing to make the mask, it's another thing to know how to apply it. So think of it this way: probably you want to relax your hair, or you want to dye your wig or your natural hair. You go for the roots of the hair, not the tip. So that is exactly what I'm doing in this video. I have gone for the root of my hair because that is where obviously my scalp is, and I'm applying the mask in smaller sections so that it could penetrate properly. And when I'm done with it, I would massage this properly into my hair, both in my scalp and down through my hair, and that way the products will set in properly. So I'm doing this for this section, the first section of my hair, and then I'll do it for the remaining. So I also want to let you in on a secret. This works for both natural hair and relaxed hair completely. It works, and it will change both the texture of your hair, make it better, make it softer. It also has other benefits. Not only does it increase the length of your hair, it also provides deep hydration. It also repairs damaged strands, and it strengthens your hair follicles. And last but not least, it increases the elasticity of your hair by 1,000. So I know you might have a question that what if you don't see avocados, because avocados are seasonal fruits. So if you don't see avocados, you get bananas. Bananas are good substitute for this mask, and with bananas, you could literally see how it makes your hair very, very elastic even while you're just applying it, right? So yeah, bananas are good substitute, but they are treated differently because it contains seeds, and you don't want to let those seeds stick to your hair, so you have to treat it differently. Another thing I would suggest that you add in your mix is aloe vera. Aloe vera is so good and will increase the length of your hair by 1,000, trust me. Well, I didn't find aloe vera in the market, so I just have to stick with the 3 things that you saw me adding into my blender. That is the avocado, egg, and honey. And trust me guys, if you do this religiously, your hair will double its original growth. Trust me. I took out my relaxed ends in 2022 and fully became a natural hair girly. While I kept doing this, religiously, and my hair grew. Well, in 2024, I wasn't as consistent. I think I only did this just once in the whole of 2024. So yeah, now I've come down to the last one, the last section of my hair, and I'm actually making sure that every product went in, every of the mask went in. So once I'm done, I'm going to put my hair into a nice nylon bag and secure it, or if you have a shower cap and you can wash it, then fine. But I use nylon bags because I can actually trash it. So when I put it in the nylon bag, when I put my hair inside the nylon bag, I let it sit for an hour. You can do more than an hour, but for me, I let it sit for an hour, and after that I wash my hair with my hair wonder shampoo and also with a warm water. Don't make the water too hot because there is egg in your hair, so that the egg doesn't start to cook. So yeah, here I am actually washing off my hair, also detangling using a comb, and after which, and as you can see from the video, I'm washing my hair in sections for, to make it easy for me actually. So after that, I rinse off and then I actually go mat my hair. So I make sure I do this once I've loosened my hair and once I am ready to actually make my hair, so that as your hair is in a protective style, it will grow out some more, right? So don't just do this and just let your hair be, when you're done, like give it like few days before you go make your hair. Let's say 1 or 2 days before you go make your hair. So that is that. If you're just seeing my video for the very first time, you're welcome to the family. My name is Neye and I create content tailored to natural hair, fashion, and also about my lifestyle, but mostly natural hair. And trust me, I don't gatekeep. I share everything I know how to do. Okay? So yeah, thank you so much for sticking to the end. Please drop in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be ready to answer you, and I'll be seeing you in my next videos. Okay, bye guys. Love ya.